In the pursuit of optimal health, many turn to natural ingredients to support the body's detoxification processes. Among these, carrots and turmeric are particularly notable for their impressive health benefits, especially when combined with a smoothie. This vibrant blend not only tastes delicious but also offers a powerful boost to the kidneys and liver, the body's primary detoxifying organs. Carrots are well known for their high beta-carotene content, which the body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for maintaining healthy vision, a strong immune system, and glowing skin. Beyond beta-carotene, carrots are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin C, and potassium. These nutrients support bodily functions, including detoxification. When it comes to kidney health, carrots play a significant role. Their high water content aids in hydration, crucial for the kidney's filtering function. The antioxidants in carrots, particularly beta-carotene, help combat oxidative stress, which can damage kidney cells. Additionally, potassium in carrots helps balance sodium levels, reducing strain on the kidneys and preventing kidney stones. Turmeric, with its distinctive golden yellow color, has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. The spice's active compound, curcumin, is celebrated for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These attributes make turmeric a valuable ally in supporting liver function and overall health. The liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying the body by filtering blood, metabolizing drugs, and processing nutrients. Curcumin in turmeric enhances the liver's ability to produce bile, which is necessary for digesting fats and removing toxins. Additionally, curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties protect the liver from damage caused by chronic inflammation. Combining carrots and turmeric in a smoothie creates a nutrient-dense beverage that supports both the kidneys and the liver. The smoothie's ingredients work synergistically, with the carrots providing essential hydration and antioxidants, and the turmeric offering anti-inflammatory benefits. Incorporating a carrot and turmeric smoothie into your diet is a delicious and effective way to support your body's detoxification processes. By harnessing the natural powers of these two ingredients, you can promote better health and well-being, ensuring that your kidneys and liver remain in top condition.
1 carrot. Peel the carrot and make small pieces. Add the carrots to the blender. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon of organic honey and mix well. Blend the ingredients. Drink 1 glass every morning on an empty stomach.